Ever had your check engine light come on and instantly felt that sinking, "Oh no, how much is this gonna cost?" moment? Well, what if I told you could diagnose that problem yourself in under a minute? Today, we're diving into the LAUNCH CRP123 V2.0 Plus Elite OBD2 scanner, diagnostic tool that's bringing dealership-level insights straight to your garage. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this tool is worth adding to your toolbox or not. The LAUNCH CRP123 V2.0 Plus Elite is not your basic plug-and-play scanner. This thing is a full-on vehicle doctor. It's designed to read and clear trouble codes from the 4 major systems: engine, transmission, ABS, and E-lock braking system, and senior's airbag system. That means you're not just checking the check engine light, you can diagnose braking or airbag issues too. And here's what I love: it shows live data streams in real time. You can literally watch your sensors work while the car runs RPMs, fuel trims, O2 sensor data, and more, all right on its bright 4-inch color screen. It supports over 57 car brands and 10,000 plus vehicle models, covering OBD, EOBD, and job protocols. Basically, if your car was built after 1996, this tool has your back. And get this, it comes with lifetime free Wi-Fi updates. That means you can keep your software up to date without paying a dime in subscription fees. The design is compact and rugged, with a rubberized grip that feels solid in hand. Plus, it's powered directly from your car's OBD2 port, no need to charge it separately. Alright, let's talk about the good and the not so good. Pros: professional level diagnostics for a mid-range price. Reads 4 main systems: engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags. Lifetime free updates, no hidden costs. Fast scanning speed and a clear, color display. Durable design that feels built to last. Cons: it doesn't support advanced dealer functions like key programming or ECU coding. That's more for higher-end devices. The menu interface, while powerful, may feel a bit technical for absolute beginners. And it needs a Wi-Fi connection for updates, so if you're offline, no update that day. Overall, the LAUNCH CRP123 V2.0 Plus Elite is a rock-solid tool for DIY mechanics, car enthusiasts, and small repair shops who want professional-grade diagnostics without spending a fortune. It's reliable, fast, and accurate, the perfect blend of performance and practicality. If you're tired of guessing what's wrong with your car or paying the shop just to read a code, this is a smart investment that pays for itself after 1 or 2 uses. So is the LAUNCH CRP123 V2.0 Plus Elite worth it? Absolutely. It's one of the best diagnostic tools in its class for everyday drivers who want control, confidence, and savings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair, and check out the link in the description to learn more or grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and remember, taking control of your car's health is the smartest repair you'll ever make.